Hello reptile enthusiasts, today we're exploring the captivating world of the black-faced blue-tongued skink, a striking variation of the popular skink species, and this one is very photogenic as you can see. These skinks are celebrated for their unique black coloration and distinctive blue tongues. The black-faced variation intensifies the dark pigmentation, making these skinks a sought-after choice among reptile enthusiasts. The black phase variation showcases a beautiful jet black coloration, adding a touch of elegance to the typical appearance of the blue-tongued skinks. With their characteristic blue tongues, these skinks have a striking contrast that captivates reptile enthusiasts. Known for their sturdy build and smooth scales, black phase blue-tongued skinks are both visually appealing and robust. To thrive, black phase blue-tongued skinks require well-designed enclosures with proper heating, lighting, and substrates for basking and burrowing. Maintaining suitable temperatures is crucial for their health and well-being. A varied diet consisting of insects, vegetables, and fruits is essential to meet their nutritional needs. While skinks don't interact with plants in the same way as some animals, providing a dynamic enclosure with various structures, hides, and basking spots contributes to their well-being. Incorporating safe and non-toxic plants can enhance the aesthetics of their habitat. Black-faced blue-tongued skinks are primarily kept for their stunning appearance and docile nature. These skinks are valued companions that bring a joy to reptile enthusiasts through their unique coloration and engaging behavior. Their intensified black pigmentation, blue tongues, and gentle demeanor make them a cherished choice among reptile enthusiasts. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of animals. Until next time, may your reptile adventures be filled with wonder, and may the black-faced blue-tongued skink bring a touch of elegance to your collection. Farewell.